can you hear me? I'm hunkered down in hand-me-downs, I climb down every chimney. Fast and loose, I'm a sea breeze, and I thought by now I'd have figured out how to close these sails from the air. But I come bearing gifts, wearing an unconvincing smile, 'cause I was wrong, I was wrong to think that I'd be better off alone. Thin-skinned daydreamers wear me out, and for a while I'm grinding down my gears somewhere on the street or cut out kingdoms of England where the air won't reach, so at least you get to see my lovelorn canopy from that ghoulish place behind my eyes. So I was wrong, I was wrong to think that I'd be better off alone. Oh, please come on in and speak to me anytime, anytime. Please come on in, speak to me anytime. Keep up, pay it forward, we're all waiting in vain to hear the laughter swim behind the veil. I got blackbird fever, and I fear I've lost my last chance to ever hear them sing. All I've got are light quips from the darkest pits of my mind, 'cause I was wrong, I was wrong to think that I'd be better off alone.